Hello everyone, myself Shushma Puja, studying in B.Ed First Sem in Keli Society's College of Education, Vidyanagar, Hubballi. Now, I am presenting a seminar on issues of gender, class, and culture in mathematics learning under the guidance of Viresh A. Kalakeri sir. Now, let us know what are the issues of gender, class, and culture in mathematics learning. First, we look into the introduction. In the present situation, in teaching learning process of mathematics subject has several problems. Among several challenges, there are three main challenges which are faced by the learners of mathematics. That are issues of gender, issues of class, issues of culture. These are major problems nowadays faced by the students in the process of teaching and learning the mathematics subject. Three major issues are issues of gender, issues of class, issues of culture. Now, let us study these three major issues one by one. First one is issues of gender. Historically, mathematics and related careers have been viewed as fields more suitable for boys and men than for girls and women. While there have been some advances made over time, gender remain a factor impacting on four issues. Achievement in mathematics, attitudes about mathematics, oneself as a learner of mathematics, in participation rates in mathematics once it is no longer compulsory. Next, there are many issues which is related to gender in mathematics learning. Usually girls will not choose a mathematics subject for their higher education and they show less interest in that subject. And there is a reason why girls do not choose mathematics as a subject. There is a reason for why girls does not continue their higher level education by choosing the mathematics as a subject. One of the main reason is parents do not give opportunities to girls as they give to boys. Next one is due to child marriage of girls, they lose their interest towards mathematics subject. Next one, you can look here. Here, in the first picture, the girl stands lower than compared to boy, and in the second picture, there is a easy steps for boys to climb up or achieve their goals, but for girls, there are so many hurdles to achieve their goals. And the third picture also shows that inequality between boys and girls. These are the gender issues which are faced nowadays. Next. In the classroom situation, teachers, while asking questions or discussing any matter, they exclude girls from discussion and they do not include girls to answer the question. This inequality is the main reason for the issues of gender. Next one, in the past, maths was a male dominated domain and few females choose to study mathematics. Next, many programs are held in educational system to overcome the gender issues in mathematics learning. Next, the conclusion of issues of gender is overall nowadays girls are also showing better performance in the field of mathematics and females do better academically. Next, we look into the next issue issues of class. First point is our country is a center of several religions. Religions are divided into different categories and classes. These categories bring a inequality in learning environment. Based on the categories, societies and teachers' views towards the children are different. Next one, likely every religion has their own culture. Learning also based on these religion and culture. Next point. This picture shows that our country has several religions. Next. In our country, there are many religions such as Christ, Buddhist, Islam, and Hindu religion. Among all these religions, Hindu religion is a poor in learning or in education. Same as OBC, SC, ST, and other categories has their own interest in learning of mathematics. If this type of inequality created in classrooms, students get disinterested in learning mathematics. It also brings disinterest in mathematics learning due to the facilities given to the perspective categories. Next issue is issues of culture. There are many problems related to the culture in teaching learning process of mathematics subject. Does not develop people who are aware of values and beliefs associated with the application of mathematics. The culture in the school environment and culture in the everyone's house differ from each other. From this fact, we can see adjustment problem faced by the children. Next, another problem is the mother tongue used in the house by the child and the language used in the schools also differ. This leads in the problem in the learning of mathematics. Next one. See in this picture shows that some culture of our country. As I said earlier, our country consists of many religion and has their own culture. There are also slum people in every village. These peoples also face problems to get education. Next. The other major issue for girls is when she get mature in the name of the culture. Parents always ignored to send the girls to the school. Next one next one issue is child marriages is also a major issue in learning mathematics. These types of culture we should not take into the school environment. In school environment we should always do things that encourages the learning. Then only the mathematics learning will become better. Thank you.